Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Move. And today, guys, we're here with an upcoming artist, a young artist in the biz. I was sent this song to react to, so I am doing it. Young artist, reaching on my DM, man. I could talk business in that. You see me? Yeah, talk business in DM. So reach out to my DM. I could talk business in that. You see me? All right, so Flawless, love the vibe. Flawless, love the vibes. Love the vibes. So we're going to jump in that one on here with the GSC. Let's go.
It's time to party.
Big up Dream Production. Shot by Dream Production. Video shot by Dream Production. Big up Dream Production.
Party. It's time to party. Till the morning light. Me love the vibes, pass the cup, give me ice. Party nice, and the vibes alright. Give me a light, make the split ignite. It's time to party. Till the morning light.
I feel good song. I like it. Feel good song. Me not hear no guns and no knife and everything there. Yeah, people them want about the party song. Party song them and people can actually go up and feel nice. And so big up yourself, G.
It's alright, give me a light, make the split ignite. It's time to party. Till the morning light, you know wind them body. And the vibes is right, it's time to party. Party till the morning light, you know wind them body. And the vibes is right. We got money, girl up on Molly. Pull up na the RD, vibing at the party.
Yeah, that's so. The rhythm bad. Let me just say that the rhythm bad. We got the rhythm production team behind that one. The rhythm bad. Party. We are party. What he mentioned said the girl them a pop Molly. Ladies, don't pop no Molly, no. Don't pop no Molly, no dog. Just go and have a natural vibe out to you see me? Cause you don't know, so the Molly it's not a good thing. It's not a good thing, but you don't know. If that's what you're into, that's what you're into. But ladies, don't be encouraged to pop in the Molly then. You see me?
Body, and the vibes is right. We got money, girl up on Molly. Pull up na the RD, vibing at the party, yeah. We're gonna do
Molly, party, RD. I like that rhyming scheme there, bro. I like that rhyming scheme there.
and the vibes is right. We got money, girl up on Molly. Pull up na the RD, vibing at the party, yeah. We're gonna do it all when we 40. Any and a draw weed can cause a party event.
See there? That is the natural high. Any and a draw weed. You know, so you have your liquor and a draw weed, you know, so you keep the vibes mellow and nice, you know. Big up the man them we dance with the woman them. Big up the woman them we dance with the man them too. We like them type of vibes there. That's how we are promote around here.
We're gonna do it all when we're 40. Any and a draw weed can cause a party event. We outside, we are do it now, man. We do it all night, yeah. Everything alright, young and free in a sister, we are one wild. Coming.
Yo. When we're in our party vibe, we don't have nothing to worry about. We have a long day at work. We are going to the party tonight from now till the morning. Nobody can call your phone and tell you, say, yo, come home. We're not depend that. No. Party, we are party. At this right there. So once we're in our party mode, we don't have nothing to worry about. We just enjoy ourselves. Because one night forget. And we are live it, you know?
Even we outside, we are do it now, man. We do it all night, yeah. Everything alright, young and free in a sister, we are one wild. Come and love the vibes, pass the cup, give me ice. Party nice, and the vibes alright. Give me a light, make the split ignite. My feet so high, hype me up on the flight. It's time to party till the morning light. You know wind them body.
Like we mentioned in the intro, no guns, no knife, no talk about. That's natural feel good vibe. This feel good. This feel good for you know, so there's artists out there that still care about the people, them enjoyment, bro, and I put out them type of song. Because everybody talk about chop and this and that. It's good to hear a song where none of that now mention. You see me?
Till the morning light, you know wind them body. And the vibes is right, it's time to party. Party till the morning light, you know wind them body. And the vibes is right. If on the street or the pool party, me rich. On the beach street, we
hear that? So you must say, yo, after the street party, well, like probably 2 o'clock at the pool party at the mansion on the hillside him there. I up there, so him there. Yeah. After the street party, after the wedding, after the Uptown Mondays, where we there? Up in the girl shan. Yeah, pool party, whole heap of girl. No men allowed. No men allowed. No.
And the vibes is right. If on the street or the pool party, me rich. On the beach street, we finna keep. Me no cologne, but the girl them say me sweet. Chicken up your body, I'm a baby you need.
Me no cologne, but the girl them say me sugary, me syrupy. Yeah. Yeah, me sweet. When me asleep and take up me body. Cause me sweet. And they say there. Here, cross.
Me no cologne, but the girl them say me sweet.
Yeah.
Chicken up your body, I'm a baby you need. The thugs them a floss, and it's a Camry. Return clean, but life gonna garbage. Eve to 20 dashboard. Cologne, but the girl them say me sweet. Chicken up your body, I'm a baby you need. The thugs them a floss, and it's a Camry. Return clean, but life gonna garbage. Eve.
Yeah, Brook Life not there no more. We don't want to see Brook Life. Brook Life, they're garbage jeep. Go over there, so go one side. We don't like you, we hate you. You're broke life. We don't want nothing to do with poverty. Poverty suck your mother, we don't want no more you. Yeah. Party we a party. Cranberry and wine a cup.
The thugs them a floss and it's a Camry. Return clean, but life gonna garbage. Eve to 20 dashboard bandit told me a speed. Me never lie, no way.
Oh, this, when name again? Can't tired, right? I can't tired. Yo, the Rasta guy still, man. I bought this thing from the ground, man.
Bitch, Eve to 20 dashboard bandit told me a speed. Me never lie, no way. Pick up money, get up on Molly. Pull up na the Audi, vibing na the party. Yeah, who gon' do it all on the 40? Any and a draw with can cause a party.
Yeah.
We outside, we a do it now, man. We do it all night. Yeah, everything alright. Young and free in a system, we are going wild.
Old school, pan the rap on the bank. Keep on. Yo, the artists are bad. Flawless, big up yourself. There's a few things in the video when we really want to emphasize on and touch upon at the video itself. Big up the fact say yo, him a sing about party and which one them there? Party scene. A long time we don't get a video like that where the artists them actually in the party. A party with the people them. You know? So this video is a natural party vibe. A party go on the video. You see me? Yeah. A party go on the video and they run happy people and them thing they will want to bring back, brother. Also, see them a touch on the old school dance them. You see me? Like the pandy rap on the bank and them the boss are forward from the era there, so him know them type of dance there. So them turn in the video and yo, it nice. The video merry. The song well put together. My only in this was the Mali line. I think the artist could have been a bit more creative with the Mali line because when I try to promote the Mali thing on here, brother, America something that. You see me? Yeah, a weed we know about. Growing up, a weed we know about. You see me? But apart from that, it's a party time. A party time. This can thing like any party and rock the party. You see me? So my G, big up yourself. Good project. Good project. Big up the rhythm maker. Big up the video personnel who put the video together. Summer. This have a summer vibes. Definitely have a summer vibes. You see me? Yeah. Big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself. This is how I'm going to leave that one still. If you enjoyed that one and want to see more from a G, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you are new, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Young artist, link up. Yes, sir.